fingers are all sticky with all this honey on them.
Oh, yeah. His gloves get wicked sticky.
See where all that old dome was? Makes you wonder, don't it? Yes, I agree.
The sun is right in my eyes, so I can't even see a thing yet. So
Perfect.
hopefully I get a better angle soon.
Alright, well, another up a little more, up a little more, up a little more. Yeah, damn it. Yeah, up a little more.
Up a little more?
Yeah, another. Yeah, they're down in. They're on this under part here. Yep, keep your hands back, Chris.
Yep.
Good. Nothing there. That's good.
Where are they going?
But if you look, they are right down. Bastards. Sorry, they just moved in. Good.
Yep.
Hold this flashlight for me.
What?
Please hold this flashlight for me.
I thought you said get the flashlight, and I'm like,
No.
what? You want me to shimmy down the damn thing?
Flashlight. Thank you. See if they come pouring out of here or not.
Or anywhere else.
All right, they are right up in here. See them starting to come out of here.
Wait, let's move over. I don't want to lopside the barrel.
You
Switch.
can. Straight up. Right there.
Oh, they're coming in those in here.
Up. Yep.
Am I getting it?
Yes, I think so.
You keep the light on it, I can. Because I'm not crawling in there.
Oh, you are funnier than this. Yeah, they're not bouncing off us or nothing. It was totally brand new hive. There aren't even that many back from the field. I mean, you know, maybe 500. Another way you can tell, of course, is when we looked up even from ground level, you could see them kind of like all over like this instead of doing the highway from hell.
Okay.
When they first move in, they aren't. This is all looks the same to them. This is different, but that all looks the same. And they knew they had to come in here somewhere, but they hadn't landed enough to leave enough pheromone, so they knew the front door was right here. So they're kind of like, I know it's here somewhere. It's here somewhere. Where the fuck is it? Oh, there it is. And so that's why they're all over like this instead of just in and out like this. That's the way you can tell a newer hive as opposed to an older hive. It's brand new. I mean,
Now my building's wide open. They'll probably just go inside the building.
yeah,
well, actually,
they're gonna
inside
be,
they're less of a threat.
they're going to be so.
Of course, you don't have any windows in there anymore. So.
Yeah, exactly. That's even. I mean, they're just. They're going to be so. They're so screwed. Yeah, all these bees come back from the field, but they're not bouncing off us or nothing.
They're mad. And they're
They're
seeing
more
us,
confused
right?
actually.
Yeah, it's
You know
kind
what?
of
Seal up to just. I'm going to dump a bunch of foam in this hole to seal it up because of course that hole's.
That's not a bad idea.
This hole's impossible, but at least that one. The more of them we entomb, the better.
Well, could you reach your hand back there? Oh, I guess not.
Maybe. I couldn't with the flashlight, but I might be able to with this. Because if I could, yeah, get it in that. You know what? Let's give it a shot.
Yeah, let me get the light.
Okay. Where's the light? Where am I?
I can't see where your light is. So
Okay. And then I'm gonna have to.
with your arm in there, I can't see.
No, the hole's too big. That's all huge gap back in there. Okay, the best I'm gonna have to do is right here. All right.
So you're sticking
Oh,
my
yeah.
glove
They're working. Keep the moiken.
there. She'll leave her guts behind.
I brought another can. So, Scott, you think we're going to get on the roof to go to the... We have to. Yeah. Since they're coming from the inside. That's weird. Never done that before. On this job, anyway.
They might have all moved into here for all I know.
Well, could be. I mean...
I'm putting your flashlights in your bucket
I
now.
was up there
thank you.
last Friday. Gonna boom down. Gonna swing out a little bit, okay?
Make sure on the clearance. Make sure on the clearance.
Slow. Just a little down, pull towards you.
I told you about the time I had to put a ladder right about where your foot is and lean it up against there. And guess what I didn't find there? Oh, what I did find there was a wall. That was it. Okay, I'm gonna hand you this. I'm gonna get handling distance. There you go. Thank you. All right. Right here, Chris. Remember that expanding boom is?
They're coming in a little hole down there.
Oh,
Little tiny goddamn hole.
right there.
Did I tell you about the time? Had a German film crew up here. That's when Max was a marshal. I had myself tied to that with a rope, Scott. I climbed over that ledge. And knocked down a high from.
Entrance is on the other side too, though.
All right. Can I reach it?
It's the same place you filmed. Yeah. It's the same
And then
spot.
somebody pops their head up through the old hatch. No shooting, no none. Who the fuck are you? He said, well, I'm Max the Marshal. I said, you know what? I don't give a shit who you are. Get out of here. We became fast friends. All right, where? Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna hit him with this.
I don't understand where they're building. That one little effing hole? Are you kidding me?
Isn't that amazing?
That one effing hole.
Wow.
Now they're coming.
They're pouring out.
Now they're starting to pour. Now they're starting to pour.
Oh.
See how they're coming out? Doom,
So I
doom.
hit
Where
you.
are they
Oh,
all
that's
at in
running,
there,
yeah,
man?
They're starting to pour out. And one, they can only fit one at a time through the hole. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is amazing. And
Here
the
they
whole
come.
hive can live in there.
Whoa, here they come.
Isn't it amazing?
That's pretty awesome, actually.
50,000 bees.
Look at them.
Oh, yep, that's them. Yep, they're pouring out of there. I'm still going to see
How can bees like egg or, I mean, chew or something? Or?